Today we're going to make a Snickerdoodle mug cake.
In a small bowl, mix together your sugar, flour, baking powder, and ground cinnamon. Give it a quick whisk, make sure there aren't any streaks of ingredients left. Once you're done, you're going to pour in your cooled melted butter, room temperature milk, and your vanilla extract until the batter comes together. Now this part's very important. You're going to layer a third of your batter and then sprinkle cinnamon sugar on top. Continue alternating layers until you've used up all of your batter. You're going to top it off with a generous helping of cinnamon sugar. You're going to put it in the microwave for anywhere between a minute to a minute and a half. Once you're done, you should get something like this. Allow it to cool before enjoying.
Bon appetit!